Alright, it's time to go to Fall River Road. I think I know where I am. Ooh! Where do all these roads go? This is called Mud Puddle Road. Damn, this is a really cool road. I like this. It's not too difficult. It's just perfect. The forest after it rains, it smells so delightful. Oh, if I could just capture that smell and put it like in an air freshener and sell it, I would make millions. That's a swimming pool. Damn. Ooh, I almost fell in the swimming pool. Just making sure all my camping gear is still on there. And here we are at Fall River Road. There's a bunch of like 4-wheel drive off-road trails up here that go up to this awesome lake and waterfall. Pig rock! Look at that. It even has lips. Oink, 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 oink. Even has a tail. There's a nice slab of bacon right there. Onwards onto the misty road of death. Oh man, it's gonna be so cold tonight. So I gotta turn down this way, I think. And then it goes to this gravel road, and then it goes to a paved road, and then it goes to a rocky road. Something like that. It's been a long time since I've been up here. Oh yeah, I found it! Continental Divide Trail. I wish it was a little warmer though. Where's that road go? There's like another little road. Goes off somewhere. You know what? Hell, I'm gonna go see where this goes. Oh, it doesn't go anywhere. It's just like a little camping spot. Oh, actually, it does go somewhere. They just don't want you to go that way. Oh shit! There's a fallen tree up here. It just goes back to the beginning. What? That's awesome. At least I know now. Oh, can I not get out through here? Oh yeah, I can. Oh, I got this. Hell yeah. Alright, well, I just went in one big giant circle. Time to go down this road again. We're back. Except this time I'm gonna go straight instead of go down the secret road. Oh, splish splash, I was taking a bath. It's a steep hill. Steep rocky hill. I'm just mobbing in first gear pretty much right now. Just mobbing. Ow, 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 ow. Where does the hill end? It just keeps going up and up and up. Damn, look at that waterfall. It's so cool. I love waterfalls. Who doesn't love waterfalls? I'm practically just riding here in this river. No big deal. I want to go up to the lake to show you guys that awesome waterfall. Might even climb up to the waterfall. Damn. That storm, it looks like it's coming in hot. Yeah, I need to get back. I'm gonna go up to that lake tomorrow. But I need to start setting up camp and everything. It's gonna rain. Like, it does not look good. Oh look, it's a bunch of snow. Get to the forest! It's raining! I wanna go home! No! I'm just kidding. Here's the place I wanted to camp. I wonder how far I can go in. This is like the freaking slender forest if I've ever seen one. We go down this way. This looks pretty nice. Good camp in here. Now I'm just gonna set up camp. It's kind of stealthy. Yeah, let's put my tent right here. Freaking garage for the T-Dubs. Be awesome. So I got the tarp garage set up. It's pretty sturdy. I actually used the rock straps I used to bring all my gear. I used that to keep the tarp up for at least one part, and then the rest is just paracord. I mean, I don't really care if the bike gets wet. I just don't want like all my gear and stuff get wet, and I just want something to like get under if it really starts pouring down. So yeah, now I just gotta set up the tent, and I'm gonna make some food. Alright, so I pretty much got camp set up. I got my little tent over there. The thing is really small, but it's really compact, which is pretty nice. Got my bike under this tarp, all my other odds and ends. Making a cup of ramen, high quality gourmet stuff right there. And I got the water almost boiling over there. I'm gonna probably just eat dinner and go to bed not long after. So I woke up to find the rain had stopped, but unfortunately my microphone wire quit working, so you won't be able to hear me talk. I'll have it fixed by the next upload. But for now, I'll just throw in some music to finish out the video. Thanks for watching.